Hey guys, are you looking for your dream home? We can help. Your property specialist. We will make it easy and help you to save time and money. Stay tuned, for this property might be your dream home.
Are you looking for affordable yet elegant house and lot na pwede sa pag-ibig dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan? Dito lang yan sa Villa Castalia. Villa Castalia is located at Barangay Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And this is accessible via Santa Maria and Norsagaray Road doon sa kabilang portion, at accessible din via Sitio Perez Road dito sa ating barangay. Villa Castalia is a 14 hectares development project of House Plus Ventures Incorporated na merong duplex, townhouse at single attached unit. Semi-complete finished turnover na ito, kaya livable na talaga. Welcome to Elisa Townhouse. It has a 50 square meter na lot area with a floor area of 54 square meter. Alright, as low as 10,000 pesos na reservation fee, pwede na itong mapasayo. And as much as 15,000 plus lang kapag nasa pag-ibig na. Tara! So this is our parking area. Napakalaki, no? We have a 5-meter na parking, no? So kasyang-kasya dyan ang mga kotse natin o kahit SUV pa. Okay? So concrete na rin ang ating turnover at merong provision para pwede nating lagyan ng damo para for aesthetic. This is our main door. And this is our ground floor. Alright? So as you can see, nakatiles na. Meron na tayong primer paint. Kaya talaga namang livable na ito, no? So, pwedeng-pwede na nating lipatan. Okay? So, probably ito yung ating living area. Ang ating dining area. Meron tayong kitchen. Nakatiles na rin ang lababo natin. We have the faucet, of course. And we have self-ventilation. At andito naman ang ating service area na pwedeng paglagyan ng dirty kitchen o kaya ng laundry area. On this side, nandito naman ang ating ground floor na toilet and bath. Yes, meron po tayong dalawang CR. Okay, so we have the water closet. Siyempre, may lavatory with faucet. We have our shower head. Yan, siyempre, at meron din tayong another faucet dito. Alright? Siyempre, may ventilation tayo dyan for lighting and siyempre, no, yung ventilation para yung hangin. Alright? So, meron na tayong naka-ready na yung ating mga receptacles, no? And we have a sliding window. Ayan. So, talaga namang aesthetic na tingnan, no? At yung ating tiles, so naka-tiles na po ang ating ground floor. Kaya talaga namang konting-konti na lang yung ating gagawing improvements. Tara, let's check our second floor. By the way, this is our stairs, no? So, we have a wood stairs at meron tayong wood din na handrails. I think merong mga reinforced by mga tubular natin, no? By the way, dito sa second floor, naka-open space lang tayo. Now, we will let our buyers na mag-decide kung gaano kalaki yung kanyang gagawing rooms, no? As mentioned earlier, dalawa po ang toilet and bath natin dito sa Elisa Townhouse. We have here our toilet and bath na pwedeng common o kaya naman baka doon mapunta sa master bedroom. Alright, so syempre, kompleto na rin ating features. We have the water closet, the lavatory faucet, may shower head na rin yan, and we also have another ventilation. Dito sa second floor, naka-sliding window pa rin po tayo. And as you can see, naka-ceiling na po, no? So talaga namang pwedeng-pwede na likatan. Of course, sa ating harap, naka-sliding window din tayo. Again, merong balcony ang Elisa Townhouse, no? So you can check dito sa labas. Pwedeng magbasa ng books, no? O yung mga naninigarilyo, di ba? Or pwede magkape. And this is our project site. Again, the 14 hectares na project location. Napakalaki, no? Na malaking community ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga gustong magnegosyo. Once again, this is Elisa Townhouse here in Villa Castalia, located at Barangay Palungbuhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. For those who are interested, contact Marlon of Orwell Homes Realty. Tara, we will bring you home. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like, comment, and share para updated kayo sa mga post ko. Thank you. Let's go in finding your dream home.